National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Menard County, Logan County, Northern Sangamon County, Western DeWitt County, Southeastern Tazewell County, Southeastern Cass County, Southwestern McLean County, Southeastern Mason County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Manitou to east until Lighterberry, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mason City, Petersburg, Greenview, Green Valley, and Tallulah around 8:20 p.m. Delavan, Pleasant Plains, San Jose, and New Holland around 8:25 p.m. Athens, Emden, and Middletown around 8:30 p.m. Tremont, Hopedale, and Hartsburg around 8:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Lincoln, Williamsville, Minear, Armington, Sherman, Atlanta, Stanford, Elkhart, McLean, Waynesville, Mount Pulaski, Danvers, Beeson, and Cornland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile marker 0 and 28. Interstate 39 between mile marker 0 and 1. Interstate 55 between mile markers 103 and 164. Interstate 74 between mile markers 121 and 138.